All right, weather-wise, Alicia, we have some changes on the way. Tomorrow, going to be warm. We're looking at 80s tomorrow afternoon, and then even different and even colder by next week. And by Wednesday, I think we're going to see temperatures drop down to the 30s. So a lot of changes are on the way is what I'm trying to say. Let's talk about the forecast and the weather impact expected here in San Antonio. Cold front number 1 drops in Tuesday morning, and here's the weather impact. So tomorrow's high, we talked about that just recently, 82. 80s tomorrow, going to be extremely warm for December. And then Tuesday, 61. So a pretty decent temperature drop from one day to the next. This is considered a strong cold front, dropping from the lower 80s to the lower 60s. And then even colder in the overnights as we progress through the entire work week. Matter of fact, take a look. The overnight low trend, 46 Tuesday morning, 34 Wednesday morning, and then 37 Thursday morning. Now, take these temperatures, and then if you're watching from Kerrville, Bandera, Mountain Home towards Fredericksburg, tack on about maybe 5 or 10 degrees colder on these overnight lows. So if you're watching from Kerrville, expect some upper 20s waiting for you Wednesday morning. So it's going to be very cold later on this week. Okay, cloudy skies, dry, 53 to 54 in San Antonio as we speak. Here's a look at the metro temperatures. 50 at Hondo, 48 at Bandera, 55 at Seguin, a pair of 5s as well as in Lavernia. Here is area-wide, 52 in Del Rio, and even lower 50s to our south of Highway 90. Speaking of, that's where all the rain materialized, anywhere from, let's say, Atascosa County down to Corpus Christi and Laredo. That's where a huge swath of rain formed and moved through the region. You can see on radar loop over the last 12 hours, a couple of good downpours moving through, let's say, Columbus, Victoria, Cuero, Karnes City, all the way to Yoakum, and it was pretty active from earlier today. Now the clouds are moving out, and we're looking at a pretty dry forecast for the next couple of days. Matter of fact, here it is, your Monday outlook. A high near 82. The average for December is like 65. So tomorrow, lower 80s, extremely warm for this time of year. Here's the overnight forecast. Tomorrow morning, lower 50s, have a jacket. It's going to be chilly tomorrow, clear skies. Tomorrow, lower 80s. By Tuesday morning, I should say, cold front drops in. No rain associated with this cold front. Wednesday afternoon, watch what happens. Temperatures are going to fall off a cliff, and Wednesday is starting off near freezing, 37 to 36 in the city. And again, that may mean a light freeze for a few hours for Bernie, Kerrville, and towards the Texas Hill Country, anywhere from Bandera to Gillespie County, Real, and Edwards County as well. Okay, 14-day forecast. We're looking at some nice weather on the way and very warm. Look at this, 82 tomorrow, 61 Tuesday, 62 Wednesday. Small chance at a stray shower by the middle of this week. It's not going to be a lot, not going to be a soaker, and not a washout by any stretch of the imagination. Isolated showers Thursday and Friday, and look at the entire forecast. Aside from a few days this week, most of it spending in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Very nice, very comfortable weather with cold mornings ahead, especially on Wednesday and early Thursday.